Baked or fried, which Nigerian egg roll wins the crown? One which is crispy, one guilt-free, but both absolutely delicious. Today I am showing you how to make the best homemade Nigerian egg roll in 2 ways, and trust me, by the end you will know exactly which team you are on. Before we even start, drop it in the comments. Are you team fried or team baked? Let's go make the best homemade egg roll and settle this once and for all. Watch till the end to get the full authentic recipes and tips. Hi food lovers, welcome back to my kitchen, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more unique and highly nutritious recipes. Here is what you will need: boiled eggs, all-purpose flour, baking powder, milk, sugar, nutmeg, butter and some unboiled eggs. You see that boiled eggs, that is the golden heart of any Nigerian egg roll. First, let's combine all the dry ingredients. Add your butter and mix it in until you get a crumbly texture. Now crack in the eggs, then gradually add water or milk to form a soft, stretchy and little sticky dough. You can do without the milk, you can use only water, but to get that creamy texture and creamy taste, you will want to add in your milk. Here is a tip. What makes this recipe unique is the sticky dough. We need to have a little sticky dough. Do you know that you can get permanent access to over 10,000 recipes, cookbook or ebooks on homemade recipes, from your hair to your skin, baking, food and so on. So check out the link in the description box below for you to get access now. And also to our online courses. As you can see, it is a little bit sticky. Not too sticky, but it is a little bit sticky. That is the consistency we need. Now cover and let the dough rest for 10 minutes. Now it is time to roll out. Roll out the dough like this. Cut into portions and wrap each boiled egg completely. You want it smooth and sealed like a delicious little dough capsule. Quickly, let's check out some tips to keep your Nigerian egg roll sealed. 1. Use the right dough consistency, just like what we have there, and then roll even thickness. Also, wrap the egg tight, that is, pinch the seam closed firmly. Make sure there are no air pockets. Also, double seal the edges. And then don't overheat the oil, very important. So with these tips, your egg roll will stay sealed, neat and professional looking, whether you are team baked or fried. If you haven't subscribed yet, this will be the best time for you to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment box. For tin baked, preheat your oven and then place the rolls on a greased tray brush with egg wash and bake for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. While for tin fried, heat oil on medium and gently lower the egg roll in, turning occasionally. Fry until golden brown, about 8 to 10 minutes. Quickly, let's check out the differences between this fried and baked egg roll. For the fried egg roll, the texture is different, the taste, cooking methods, and let's look at the advantage. Fried egg roll add traditional taste and it has a quick cooking time and it is irresistibly crunchy. While the disadvantages are, it is higher in oil and calories and it may open if not sealed properly. It is perfect for when you want that authentic street style flavor. Now let's check out the baked egg roll. The texture is also different, the taste and also the cooking method. And the advantage, it is lower in fat, healthier option and no deep frying needed. While the disadvantages are, it takes a bit longer to get done and no crispy crunch like the fried version, which is perfect for health conscious foodies or anyone who wants a cleaner version without compromising taste. So who wins? Honestly, it depends on your mood, or make both and let your taste bud decide. We have a video on how to make the best and unique style of Nigerian fish roll. We also have a video on how to make different Nigerian snacks and pastries. So do check out the link in the description box below to watch the videos now. Let me know in the comments, are you team fried or team baked? And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a delicious recipes. This is Nigerian comfort food at its finest, and now it's yours to master. You can follow us on our display social media handles and let us become friends and advance together. See you in our next video.